That's it.
Little bit more.
That's it.
Your side, little bit more, just 1 inch on the frame.
Oh,
That's right, that's right. Now you have to move this table over there.
Might be enough room.
over there.
Done, done.
He wants to take this with him.
No, roll over.
Yeah. When Sonia gonna come back in an hour, please put her back.
Roll over the carpet again and again.
We're Aladdin.
Teka ha, kailangan kasi pantay dito eh. Hindi siya mapantay-pantay eh.
Rupa ne kaake kuch kiya. Why? They were beautiful.
No.
Why you do this?
Okay, then again, okay, I take those.
Oh, and wait, Chubi.
Yeah, I take those back.
Say no, Sonia is gonna put him at her house.
Maybe now we get a box.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly, very slowly, slowly.
Ano dito sa kabila. Kaya mo na, konti lang sa akin.
See, there's no someone like even landing.
Huh.
Tell me now, Moto,
Yeah?
does it look better without carpet or with?
It's look better without carpet, but
Okay, boss, now you don't want other comment.
But
That's enough now. We don't
on
want
winter
we don't want to hear anything more.
it's gonna be cold here.
Yeah.
You have to wear the socks. If it's cold, you have to wear the robe, you have to wear the socks. You're not supposed to sit here bare feet.
Reshaping the house. Okay, let's go. Mambo jump. Ayan guys, ang aming trabaho ngayon. Oh, oh Maggie, say hi. Ayan kami ngayon, taga-buhat. Oh, mga construction worker dito sa bahay ni Amo ngayong araw na to. Yan, ilalabas namin to, dadalhin. Yan, doon. Okay ka lang? Sabihin mo kung masyado akong mabilis maglakad. Ayan, may tagabantay. Just in case may matumba. Ayan o. Nakalagay sa balikat. Kanina ay nasa braso. Nangalay ang braso. Kaya ngayon, binalikat na namin. At, bako, ang dami na namin nadala guys dito. Ayan. Ayan, teka ha. Okay, magbilang tayo ha. 1, 2, 3, bagsak. Ayan na. Ang dami na nito. Uy, pati singit ko, pawis na. Uy, gumanda yung mukha ko daw. Namumula kasi yung pawis ko nga naglalabasan na. Na-activate yung mga veins. Ay, ang dami pa. Meron pa sa taas. Ay. Ayan, hanggang doon sa taas. Yung doon, tinanggal namin lahat dito sa ano. Kasi may dadating. Dadating kasi titingin ng bahay. Ibibenta daw ito ng 18 million. Ay. Ano, tinanggal yan. Lahat. Tinanggal lahat ng carpet. Ay. This one also, we have to roll on, hold the carpet, roll on, and then carry to the garage. So that's our work today. We remove all the East Indian figurine and all the rooms, all display for the what you call it, showing on Monday because somebody's wanna try to buy this house. Whew, ayan. Cloudy today, and it's raining outside though. It's not pouring rain, but it's still raining. Beautiful house here, worth 18 million, this house. And the washroom here has chandelier. See guys, the beautiful house. The washroom has chandelier, see, and 2 toilets for male and woman. Chandelier here, and steam sauna. And that's the bathtub. And another 2 chandelier here. So back to work now.
I don't think it fits in there.
This one is like too heavy.
Carpet on carpet. We throw this
So
over
many
top.
carpet. Yeah, we should throw it.
Oh, no, we
Put
can't.
it back.
It's free.
No, I don't know why they have this one with carpet.
Yeah.
Just for the sake of using it.
No, lakas down. Oh, gusto yung ko. Gusto pinawisan mo lang eh. This is the last 2 carpet?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. But the problem is going down. That's, yeah, maybe we can put in the elevator.
We'll drag it. We'll drag it down the stairs.
Maybe we just gonna throw it from upstairs.
No. We drag it.
I'm just joking. because he's gonna be so mad at me if we're gonna do that.
He gonna throw you.
You might gonna have a heart attack.
Let's tie both first. Let's pick up the couch and put it over there.
Okay, couch.
Where are we going with the couch over there?
I think
Here? I say over there.
I think this
that,
one.
that's
Yeah,
all.
that's fine.
Wait,
This is heavy.
Very heavy. I'm careful.
I got it there. There.
wait. No, that has to be like that.
Both on that side. I'm fine.
Hello, hello.
Okay, put it up.
I'm also on there. I hope he stay like that tomorrow. My daddy fucked up now.
Yeah. Because tomorrow he might couldn't get up. Hey, move your ass, boss.
No, not move my dick.
She's recording.
Oh.
I'm going all the way across the Philippines. That comment. Manila. Is it here?
Manila.
Look at the stains. Look at that
Oh,
spot.
she had to make you with her.
It's makeup.
Oh, that's why they cover up.
But it should come out with. Look how flat the carpet is here.
Yeah,
Maybe we leave
it
that.
marks. It leaves the marks.
Oh yeah, we can put the couch on top.
Yeah, the couch is gonna cover up my couch, but this one there's a mark on here.
Who did these? There's more here.
Where's the people who stay here?
Not sure. Yeah, girls do heavy makeup like this.
Maybe we buy something tomorrow.
Oh, carpet cleaner, spot cleaner. Yeah.
Skate over or something.
Amazon doing Nadia? Okay, we order Amazon. Any preference? We don't want
Oh, be careful. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Huwag ka muna matutumba kasi hindi pa tayo tapos. Diyos ko, baka hindi na tayo tapos na maghapon. Parang tayo pwede ka ng 10 kabayo.
Spreading.
Ready to go.
Let me type stain. Stain.
Bigat ito, mahirap dito sa hagdan. Diyos ko. Ay, hirap dito sa hagdan. Sa hagdan.
But this one only, it will come overnight.
Arman,
That way to the gate.
need hand.
Carpet cleaner.
Ito muna, ito, it's not.
That's not really Brussels. Overnight. Maria?
Ayan o. Okay ka lang, Dang? Ayan, pababa ng hagdan. Uy, yung isang ang problema natin, mabigat. Ayan, bababa kami ng hagdan. Ano ba to? Tika, ikaw ang mag-a-adjust ka sa likod, Dang. Paano mauna? Uy, magkaiba tayo ng direksyon. Ano ka ba? Dahan-dahan lang, Dang, ha? Dahan-dahan. Kasi mahirap dito sa hagdan, mahirap mahulog. Panigurado. Sira ang ating likod. Isang step lang, isa lang. Huwag mong bibilisan. Kasi, yan. Baba mo na. Oh, tika. Ay. Takragis na yan. Ibaba na rin kaya natin yung isa. Para mas madali. Ano? Ay. Maubos talaga yung lakas mo eh. Ibaba na lang natin para pagsuot ng sapatos. Ano, diretso na rin. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan mamaya pagbalik natin. Bismillah, pero tigonis. Trabaho pang ano to, pang main. Sasabihin nila ang bilis natin magdala sa hindi nila alam, binabalan muna natin. Para isang ano wala lang tayo. Hindi yung mahaba kasi budang eh. Teka ha.
Pushing on.
Dahil ako back-bounder. Yan.
All the weight's gonna end up more on you.
You need to know. Boss, we need to double our bonus.
I can give you something.
Yeah, this is for the macho man work.
I give you the play.
Dandan. Kasi delikado ko dyan. Okay, shoes. Shoes is on the side. Arman, can you give me my shoes, please?
Yes.
And Maddie also.
No, it's okay.
You want.
Watch your step.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, video de show me fuera de día. Show. Ah, día YouTube. No, suave.
that is enough?
Yes.
I'm gonna need a good massage later. But Elaine is in China.
Yeah. Put this on here.
Right, do down. Oh, just hold on.
So you have to clear camera.
Acha.
So you can see that. It's not a great deal. And under this side. She's watching right now. Right there, the clear shot into that.
Yeah. Ah, that's right. See?
Yeah, it looks much better in the photography. Yeah. And it doesn't look all dark color. The floor right
Hold on, we need to stand up. Okay?
Yeah, we'll need to pull glass out. Easy with that. Tiranium. Garage वाला था.
हाँ,
Now we gotta move the couch.
और ध्यान रखो लास्ट मिनट का लास्ट मिनट में बैग स्लोली ओके
Yeah.
और ध्यान रखना और बात करना कि
Okay, फिर मैं जाना था. You want a turkey sandwich?
turkey that is toasted turkey sandwich with
What type of bread? Whole wheat?
whole wheat.
Multigrain?
Yeah. Got it. Got it. Okay. See now?
Oh my God. Oh, grabe, para kami binabog ng 10 kabayo. Ayan, natapos din. More than 10 carpet yun, ang lalaki. Imagine mo yun, masakit yung balikat ko guys. Pati balakang ko sumakit. So now guys, after the hard work, we need the snacks. So ito na yung lunch ko. Yan, and plus kaping barako. Ayan o, salad master ko yan niluto. Pinakuluan ko siya sa salad master na 1 quarts. Dito kay Bossing. Kasi si Bossing bumili ng salad master sa akin. Ito ang aming snacks or lunch ng aking friend. Binili ko to sa Lucky. Binili ko siya sa Lucky Store ang ating mani. At para sa healthy heart and healthy brain, para mag-function yung aming mga brain at heart, ito ang pinakang healthy na snacks. So, trabaho ni Inday ngayong Friday dahil last day ko dito sa bahay ni Bossing ay mag-map. Yesterday nag-vacuum ko the whole area, but today I still have to vacuum because last night we have a lot of people here. So now, mopping the floor. It looks shiny. See guys, that's beautiful though after mopping the floor. And now, kailangan kasi para shiny. Malinis na malinis. Getting ready for Monday. Yan, diba? Ganda. Ganda na ang floor at ng lola mo. At ito naman yung floor na aking minap. Yan. So after mopping, the tiles guys, after mopping with a wet, hindi siya maano malagay. So the wood after mopping is fine with the wet rugs, but these tiles, to make it shiny and more beautiful, walang bakat. So we have to dry it after mopping with wet rugs. So this one is dry and this one is wet. So this is how it's very clean and nice and shiny, like a sunshine in a ray. And we're gonna use the dry one to dry the floor. See guys, pwede trabaho, lahat yan ang maganda, ang gusto, walang bakat. Kasi pag binasaan kasi yung tiles, pag nag-dry siya, magkakaroon ng bakat or there's a marks of liquid or water if you don't dry properly. So you have to dry properly to make it shiny, very shiny. You see now guys, it's become shiny. So yung, guys, I finished this and also there. See guys how shiny it is after mopping the floor, and after mopping the wet rugs you have to mop with dry one, so it becomes shiny. And this one, see, it's very clean guys, so a little bit shiny as well, but you know, tiles is more shiny. See guys, you can see the chandelier on the floor because of the shiny, and I have to do it the whole area here until there. So big area, more or less 3 hours to do that, the whole area guys. Ocean view. So, gagamitin natin ito para mas mabilis mag-dry. Kailangan kasi dry na dry para mas mapunta. Maghag kasi itong aking pang-dry. Kaya hindi agad siya nag-dry masyado. Kasi dito pa. Ayan, para ako nagsasayaw. Isayaw mo. Ang ikaw. Maging isayaw mo. Shake, baby. Shake, shake, shake. Ayan, di ba? Ganda ang tuntan. Ayan o, kita nyo naman super kintab pag na-dry o, diba? Walang kabakat-bakat. Pwede kang magpagulong-gulong o, tingnan nyo, hindi nabakat yung kamay. Ganyan kalinis kami maglinis dito sa, ayan o, wala. As in, super clean. Lalo pa niyan si Mr. Clean. Ako si Miss Clean. Clean. You see guys the difference of finish mapping and drying. It's so clear and so shiny. Compare here, this one here, it's not, see, a lot of marks. This one is still dirty, or dusty, not dirty, dusty. Especially here in front of the door guys, not shiny, so, yeah. See guys the difference, it's shiny, more shiny. The area that finished mapping already, this area here it's not finished, so still a lot of dots. And this one not finished yet. So yan, wet na siya, ano ko na, gagamitan ko na siya ng pang dry. Ito, kumuha kami ng ibang klase na pang dry. Basta na rin yata. Yan. Kasi yung isa buhaghag, ang hirap ano guys, ang hirap pang dry yung isa buhaghag. So, see guys, yan o. Yan, very shiny yung mga wall kasi inano ko yan, para kung pinunasan ko yan ng basang-basahan guys, yan. Lahat ng wall. You know guys, one floor here, yung isang palapag lang, 1 week bago ko matapos. Kasi buong wall, lahat ng wall, chandelier, kinukuskusang. Yan, ganyan ang gusto ni Amo. Yung walang dust talaga at super shiny. So yung talagang makikita mo yung sarili mo sa floor, pwede kang manalamin sa floor sa sobrang shiny. Kaya tingnan nyo yung lababo dito. Ang lababo, super clear, shiny. Kahapon pa yan nakakuskusan guys, mamaya uli ang kuskusan, medyo mayroon na uli siyang parang malabo ng konti. Pero ito, very shiny siya oh. May naiiwan ng mark. So ayaw ni Amo nang may ganyan. Parang hotel guys, mas malinis pa itong bahay niya kaysa sa hotel. My boss house is cleaner than hotel, the best. No dust. Meron man siguro konti lang, sa 100% mga 10% low o 5% lang ang dust nito. Kasi syempre mayroon siyang mayroong tawag ng carpet. So niremove na namin lahat ng carpet dito sa ground floor. Sa third floor lang ang carpet talaga yun. So yun yung ginawa namin ng isang araw. I think Wednesday. Yeah, kasi Thursday kahapon nandun kami sa anak niya. Malaking bahay din yung 3 floors. Doon din kami naglinis. So, yun yung trabaho namin dito. Ako lead-in caregiver, pero more on cleaning guys. More on cleaning si Inday. Pag spring gardening naman. So, all around. Yan ang buhay ng lead-in caregiver dito sa Canada. Kagaya ko ako kasi all around ako eh. So, monthly ang paycheck. So, isang buwan lang ako this time. Kasi medyo, alam niyo na, crisis ang kanila. So, nagpapawas ng gastusin si Amo. So, ako naman okay lang. Kahit walang kailangan gagamitan. Kasi nagagawa ko ng sabon guys. So, magpupukus ako sa paggawa ng salty at ng sabon. Kasi may mga bago na akong discover. Yung para sa arthritis. At sa eczema, sa milasma. So, mabibisis Inday sa bahay. At siguro ilalagay na namin sa online yung aking mga products. Tingnan nyo, nagsishiny na talaga siya pag nadadry. So, yun ang ganda. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Salamin, oh. Kabila ng salamin dito, tapos doon pa sa tagiliran, oh, salamin. Yan ang bahay ng mayaman. Sa mansyon, ang tinitirhan ni Amo. At nakatira din ako sa mansyon pag living ako dito. So, na-experience ko guys ang buhay mayaman ko, no? Pero hindi naman ako mayaman. Mayabang lang. Joke lang guys. So, yan. Tapos yun natin lang. Yan, patayin na natin ang ilaw. Kailangan patayin ang ilaw. Tapos, para matipid sa kuryente. Basta kailangan palitan na to. Imagine nyo, isang floor. 1 week ko ginagawa 5 days kasi 5 days ang work ko dito. So 5 days ang isang floor. Sa sobrang laki ng bahay. Kaya sabi ko, pag may kupitan kami ng friendship ko, hindi kahit tumama pa ako ng 100 million sa lottery, just in case, hindi ako bibili ng ganitong bahay at hindi ako mapapagawa ng ganitong kalaking bahay kasi ang hirap linisin guys. Imagine mo, 1 floor, 1 week. So yung isang buwan ko dito, lahat ng floor, yun. Tapos natapos ko din linisan sa loob ng isang buwan. Yan ang trabaho dito. Tapos pag natapos mo na yung isang floor, syempre, after 3 weeks or 1 month kasi pumunta kami dun sa kabilang bahay naglilinis din. So 4 days pala, 4 days a week kasi yung 1 day namin dun sa anak ni Amo naglilinis ng buong bahay. Para kami doon naghahabulan. Kasi sa loob ng isang araw kailangan matapos may from 10 AM to 3 to 30. So yun ang buhay namin dito as a live-in pag winter time. Pati spring kasi nasa labas. Yung trabaho ng gardener, trabaho ko din yun guys dito. Kaya nung umalis ako nagpunta ako ng States, yung kaibigan ko sabi ko, alagaan niyo yung mga halaman. Halaman sabi ng kaibigan ko, I didn't expect, Merl, that your work is so hard when you work outside. Kasi nga yung halaman yung sayote, nililipat niya sa lupa kasi parang mamamatay mo yung iniwan ko sayote kasi nakapasok. Kasi umalis ako guys, malamig pa. So ngayon, hirap na hirap siya mag-transfer sa lupa. Takot siya na baka daw mamatay yung sayote. Sabi ko, hindi, kausapin mo yung sayote na huwag siya mamatay. Natatawa sa kaibigan ko. So sabi sa akin, sabi niya, hirap lang ginagawa mo. Akala niya kasi, mali lang kasi sa akin yung ganun eh. Yung pag, kasi nga sanay ako humawak ng lupa, maghapon, nakaupo sa lupa, nag-garden. So, nung siya na tinatry niya, ginagahin niya yung ginagawa kasi tinuruan ko nga kung paano kasi siya marunong mag-garden pa. ang hirap daw pala ng maging magsasaka. Sabi ko, syempre mahirap talaga kasi kahit naman probinsyana siya, hindi siya lumaki na nagtatanim, hindi kagaya ko na farmers talaga ako. From 5 years old until 18 years old. Katawan ko guys, from 6 a.m. to 6 at night when I was a kid, working 12 hours in the farm. So yun ang buhay ko, lumaki akong ganun. Kaya kung sasabihin nyo na maswerte ako dahil nandito ako sa Canada, yes, maswerte, pero guys, ang buhay dito mas mahirap kumpara sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas, pwede ka magpa-petiks-petiks, pwede ka magpa-easy-easy. Dito sa Canada, hindi. Kasi pag wala kang trabaho dito, wala kang kakainin. Wala kang pambayad ng apartment. Palalayasin ka ng manager, ng building manager ng apartment kapag 1 month kang hindi nakabayad. Or more than 1 month, una notice. Pag lagi kang delay, kick out ka nila. Kick out ka na. Yan ang rules dito. So, at sa Pilipinas, madali ang buhay. Kahit wala kang pera, masaya. Dito, may pera ka nga. Pero yung buhay mo parang nakikipagkabulan sa tren. Yung ganun ba guys? Ayan, diba? Nakatira ako sa mansion. Masarap yung ma-experience mo yung makatira sa mansion, pero hindi ko guys pinangarap na magkaroon ng sarili kong mansion kasi ang hirap maglinis. Ang hirap talaga guys maglinis ng ganitong bahay, lalo i-maintain mo yung yan tingnan mo naman na kumikisnap siya sa sobrang linis. Yan ang bahay na gusto ni Amo, as in lahat ng ito, kailangan yan bald eagle. Kailangan yan walang alikabok, kaya pag hinaplos mo yan ako din ang nagkukuskus niyan, wala ka talagang makita ng alikabok ko pag kinuskus mo. Madilaw yung aking daliri guys kasi yung ginagawa kong, so madilaw siya kasi yung ginagawa kong gamot ng arthritis, tinatry ko sa sarili ko kasi yung dito ko yung tendons ko sumasakit yan. Ngayon nung ina-apply ko yung ginagawa ko, gumagaling, nawawala. So that's why magpupukusaw sa mga research. Hindi ako chemist, but nagre-research ako guys. So, at least makatulong ako sa society, sa mga nangangailangan, yung mga may sensitive skin, makati. So, naprove ko na sa sarili ko yung mga ginagawa kong sabon at yung para sa arthritis na, yun nga, may avocado seed. So, it's very powerful. So, isi-share ko din yun by online, maybe next month. So, it's different guys. So, yeah, yan o. Hindi pa ako nangangalahati guys ha. Nagdadalawang oras na ako nagkukuskus. Hindi pa ako nangangalahati. Kasi nag-video ako. Pag magaan, chair, minumog. Pero, pag mabigat, hindi ko na yan ginagawa kasi delikado. So, yun. Oh, buhay ng lilim. So, I am a care aide. I used to work in a nursing home and a community support worker. But I choose to work as a live-in because I don't drive. So, especially on winter guys, it's hard when you are taking SkyTrain buses. Kailangan guys madiin ang pagdadry para matanggal talaga yung bus. Ayan. Madaling mabasa yung mga rugs. Ayan. Para wala talaga siyang bakat. Pangit kasi pag may bakat ng tubig guys. Ayan. Balik na natin. Sinagkasa siya. So, I am a registered care aide here. I have my license as a care aide. I study here in Canada as a care aide. So, number 1 yan sa educational background mo if you want to be a care aide here in Canada. And the tuition that time, 2013, it was 6,000 Canadian dollars. So siguro yung mga Pilipino na pinauwi ng Pilipinas, mga ayaw nyo gumastos ng ganun kamahal para makakuha kayo ng certificate as a care aide here. Kaya hindi na kayo na-issuehan ng renewing visa. So number 1 rules in Canada, if you want to come here in Canada as a care aide nanny, when you are here, you should study here. So when you reapply your visa, working visa, you're gonna be approved because of the educational background. So be aware po sa mga, kaya ngayon ang daming pinapauwi ng Pilipinas. Kasi kasalanan nyo po yun kung ba't kayo napauwi kasi hindi kayo sumusunod sa rules and regulation ng Canada. Kahit pa sabihin yung you have so many years old, 20 years caregiver experience, it's useless here in Canada. Kasi ang tinitingnan nila dito sa Canada ay yung certificate mo at nag-aral ka dito sa Canada. Yun po yun. Ngayon, kung nurse ka sa Pilipinas, halimbawa 10 years ka na nurse sa Pilipinas, nagpunta ka dito, gusto mo maging nurse, kailangan mo pa rin po ba mag-aral dito. Or, pinapa-check nila yan sa ano, tapos mag-i-exam kayo, hindi ko nakalimutan ko lang kung anong tawag doon. Yung lahat ng credential nyo, i-check nila yan, tapos bibigyan kayo ng exam, parang special exam. Pag pumasa kayo doon, i-issuehan kayo ng certificate. As okay na kayo magtrabaho as a nurse. Pero kung hindi kayo papasa doon, mag-uulit kayo ng aral dito as a nurse. Yun po ang rules and regulations sa Canada. Kaya yung mga medyo mayayabang, nag-issue marami siyang natapos sa Pilipinas, back to zero in Canada. Yun lang po yun. crazy. Yes, this is a good exercise for me. It makes me sweat. So we are in the area of main door. So this is the main door of the house. This here. I don't want to open it because it's cold, cold, cold outside. It's freezing cold outside, guys. Sorry. Sorry sa hindi maganda words. Ayan. Ayan. O, diba? Doon naman tayo sa meeting room. Ayun o. Yun guys o. Yun ang meeting room, yung may chandelier na malaki. Look at guys. Ang super kintab na siya after nang na-dry. O, diba? Na wala kang makikita dyan na marks ng tubig o. Diba? Super kinis, super shiny. Pwede ka nang manalamin. Kapag naglakad ka dito wala kang panty, makikita yung sayo. At dito naman tayo. Ayan. Next area. Tumap. Ayan. Ayun ang outside. O, doon ang gate. At ayun naman ang aking room, yung last na area. Yan, doon ako sa office room. So, diba? Tingnan nyo guys, pag ako nagmamap ng floor, pag ako naglilinis, gumaganda ako. Lumilitaw yung aking natural beauty. Ang yabang, diba? Yan ang epekto guys ng aking face toner na organic at sabon organic, diba? Saan ka pa? Invention